how to fix still seeing not interested videos. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how I did fix still seeing not interested videos on my TikTok app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your settings on your phone and go to your apps and search about TikTok. Click on manage apps and search on TikTok. Scroll down and you're gonna find TikTok. Click on it. Now you have uh, click on clear data and clear cache from your TikTok application. Go back to your TikTok app and do the same thing here. Click on setting and privacy, scroll down, click on free up space, and you have cache. Click on clear cache to clear your cache to free up space on your TikTok app. Now all you, all you need to do is go to your go to your home here and stop liking videos you don't want to like on your for you page. Like if click on share, still click on not interested and stop liking the videos you are not like. Now go to friends and click on here and clear all your search, and this is it. And it's gonna take about day, 2 days, 3 days, and you're gonna you're gonna know the different the video are not interested, they're gonna disappear and you have a new for you page. So this is it. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.